friends, today geometrical ideas are reflected in all forms of art, measurements, architecture, engineering, cloth designing, etc. You observe and use different objects like boxes, tables, books, the tiffin box you carry to your school for lunch, the ball with which you played and so on. All such objects have different shapes. The ruler which you use, the pencil with which you write are straight, the pictures of a bangle with a 1 rupee coin or a ball appear round. Here the chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. You will learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about the shapes around you. Here we are going to see the part 1. The topics covered in this part are 1. Points, a line segment, a line, intersecting lines, parallels and ray. Shall we see these variety of shapes? The first topic is points. By sharp tip of the pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. This almost invisible teeny dot will give you an idea of a point. If you mark 3 points on a paper, you would be required to distinguish them. For this, they are denoted by a single capital letter like A, B, C. These points will be read as point A, point B and point C. Of course, the dots have to be invisibly thin. Next topic is a line segment. Take a thin thread, hold its 2 ends and stretch it without a slack. It represents a line segment. These ends held by hands are the end points of the line segment. It has 2 end points A and B. It is defined as the shortest between 2 points. See the figure. The shortest way to join M to N is a line segment. It is by points M, N like this or N, M like this. Now we are going to see the third topic, a line. Imagine that the line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in other direction without any end. You now get a model for a line. A line through 2 points A and B is written as AB like 2 direction arrow mark. It extends indefinitely in both directions, so it contains a countless number of points. Friends, next we are going to see the fourth topic, intersecting lines. Look at the diagram. 2 lines L1 and L2 are shown. Both the line pass through the point P. We say L1 and L2 intersect at P. If 2 lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Next we are going to see parallel lines. Can you identify parallel lines in the following figures? See these figures. The first figure indicates the opposite edges of a ruler. The second figure indicates the crossbars of the window. And the third figure is indicating rail lines. Lines like these which do not meet are said to be parallel and are called parallel lines. Next we are going to see the sixth topic, ray. The following are some models for a ray. See these figures. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point called a starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. Look at the diagram of a ray shown here. 2 points are shown on the ray. They are A, the starting point, and P, the ending point on the path of the ray. We denote it by A, P. Hello, here the first part is going to end. Study and understand these concepts well. We will meet again in the next part of this chapter. Till that, goodbye.